Sir Mom in the YouTube company and all of Google company. This is only my channel. The name of my channel is Ferdinand Leo official channel. I did not transfer yet this Google account of mine, this YouTube channel of mine, the password, my YouTube channel. I did not transfer this to other devices like laptop or computer or any kinds of cell phone. I did not do that yet, so that you know how I use my phone number there in my Facebook account and the Google account. I use it there in the Facebook app. So protect me also there. Amarillo by morning. I hope you like this guy. Amarillo, good morning. I'm from San Antonio. Everything that I got is just what I've got. And the sun is shining in the Texas sky. Be back in the country fair. Amarillo, good morning. Amarillo, I'll be there. They took my saddle in Houston, broke my leg in Santa Fe. I lost my wife and a girlfriend somewhere along the way. Will I be back and parade when they pull the gate? And I hope they just ain't blind. Amarillo, good morning. Amarillo on my mind. Amarillo, good morning. San Antonio. Everything that I got is just what I've got on. I ain't got a dime, but what I got is mine. I ain't rich, but Lord, I'm free. Amarillo by morning. Amarillo, where I'll be. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Just watch all my videos guys so that it is not useless, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ferdinand Leo is my name, that's why I use that as my YouTube channel name. Just type Ferdinand Leo official channel when you are searching me. That's my face. That's my face. That's my ugly face. Bye guys, I love you all, God bless. And I want to tell you that Jesus Christ is my God, no more no less. Whatever they are saying, Jesus Christ is my God. Period.